Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we got something they say that really can't be done, but I did it. What am I talking about? I'll show you in a second. Now, I know a lot of people have lots of good questions, and we have lots of good answers. And if you want a fast answer, call the store. That's right, that's our telephone number there. Now, I know a lot of people go on YouTube and ask us questions, and we do get to those, but not as quick. So the best thing to do is just call us. Now, if you want to order this product, I'll go ahead and put a link of this on the bottom of this YouTube video. You go right to the bottom, you click on it, takes you to the website, shows you your pricing. So you say, hey, that's a great deal. I'll go ahead and get it. Now, that being said, come on over here, John. What do we have here? Well, we got the Chevy Silverado Custom. And what does this Chevy have? It's got a roll bar, man. And as you know, roll bars are darn cool. I mean, if you look at our buddy's truck, he has a roll bar on it as well. Now, not all covers work with all roll bars. Now, as you know, I got quite a few videos that showing a cover with a roll bar on the Rams and the Nissans and stuff like that. And of course, here's the Chevy Silverado. Now, if you go to the website, they're going to say this cover does not work with a roll bar. And in reality, they are correct. It does not. But we did make it work. Now, there's some tricks of the trade, which I'm not going to go into all the details because guess what? I want you to get it from us. So if you buy it from us, I'll tell you everything we had to do to make it work with this cover. So you buy it from us, you get the knowledge to make this all work. And of course, you can always come in the store, let us do the install for you. We doubled the warranty from 5 years to 10 years on the cover, which is really good. So let's go take a good look on this cover. This is the Revolver X4s. And it's made by Bak Industries. Now, before I go open it, tailgate, and show you how everything works, I want you to notice it is a low profile cover. Now, what I do like about these Chevy roll bars, if you look here, we did not have to do any cutting on the roll bars, which a lot of other ones we do. And as you can see, they all work really nice. Now, right now you look at it, you say, oh, this was made to work together. Not quite. So let's go here and show you how everything else works on here. Now, this is a really tight fitting cover. And so you got your left, you got your right. So release mechanism. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can release this. So again, only have one person at a time release this. Now I know a husband and wife gets out there and the wife says, you know what? Let me help my husband out by pulling the other side. If you do that, guess what? You could break the mechanism. So don't do that. So one person at a time to release it. Now I'm gonna roll this up here. I want you to take a good look here. This is your seal. This seal comes right here. Now, that big fat steel does a great job of keeping the water out. Now, is it going to keep every drop of water out? No, because it's not a waterproof submarine. It is designed to keep the bulk of the water out, but you could see some small amount of leakage. So keep that in mind. I got people, well, I'm going to be keeping all my birth certificate in there and all my Social Security paperwork, and it's going to get wet. I say, don't leave it in there. We'll put something sealed. So, because it's not designed to keep every drop of water out. So let's go here and roll this out. Now, if you see this stuff right here, that is to keep your hands comfortable because this is metal and it could get hot. So if you left it out in the hot sun, this will get a little hot. So if you put your hand on the bare metal, it will be a little uncomfortable. But if you have nice little rubber things here, that does a great job of protecting your hand. Now let's go over some of the differences when you have a roll bar. Now, I know in my previous videos, I say, well, you really can't go past the roll bar. It wedges right there and it gets stuck. Now, I could push it in there and it would get right past it. So it takes a few extra effort. Now, there is a little secret here. So I'm gonna roll it a little flatter here. Kind of like the reason I'm doing that is now I'm under the roll bar. So this is not gonna be as easy for a truck that doesn't have a roll bar, but you can open this all the way up. So it's a few extra steps, I know. But if you want to keep your roll bar, this is how it works. So basically, this is gonna secure right around here, lock into place, no problem whatsoever. So you can have it open and close if you like. So now, as you can see, this little bar is a tight fit here. And not for the faint of heart to do it, but we could teach you how to do this. Not a problem. So let's go ahead and I'm going to flatten her out a little bit. So it's a lot easier without the roll bar. But as you can see, you can do it either or, which is nice. Now when I go to close it, what you want to do when you close it you do want to push both sides. If you push one side, 9 times out of 10, the other side doesn't lock. So you want to push both sides. Again, if you want to keep your roll bar, you can do that. You don't have to give up this really good looking accessory, because I do like the look of this, and I'd rather do a little extra work and put the cover in and keep that. And over here at C&H Auto Accessories, you can't keep it. So if you like this, you can come to the store, let us do the install for you, or you can have it shipped to you anywhere in the country, because we ship it anywhere. And also, by the way, this has a 400-pound capacity for weight that is evenly distributed. You don't want a 400-pound Uncle Louie in the middle. It's designed if you're going to put some plywood on there and the weight so you can distribute it nice and even. So again, this is a terrific look. The matte finish looks great with the bed caps. Such a clean look. I love it, and I know my guest is going to love it. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and doing a review of the X4s on the Chevy Silverado 1500 with the factory roll bar. And don't forget, you can have this shipped anywhere in the country, or you can come here. And one more thing, like and subscribe. We appreciate that. Thank you.